Most people think wealth is about income. The higher your paycheck, the richer you are. But here's the shocking truth no one admits: wealth isn't built by how much you earn. It's built by how you spend. That's right, the difference between rich and poor isn't just income, it's habits. The rich spend differently. The poor spend emotionally. And those small choices create massive gaps over time. So today, I'll reveal the spending habits, the ones that quietly separate the rich from the poor. And by the end, you'll know exactly how to shift your money habits for life. Why habits matter more than income. Studies show over 60% of lottery winners go broke. And many pro athletes lose fortunes within years. Why? Because income without habits is worthless. On the flip side, ordinary people, teachers, nurses, office workers, have quietly built six-figure wealth by retirement. Not because of huge incomes, but because of simple, repeatable money habits. Habits are the true dividing line. And now, let's break them down. Habit number 1: the rich budget. The poor wing it. The poor often say, "I'll save what's left." Spoiler: nothing is ever left. The rich say, "I'll plan every dollar." They create budgets, track expenses, and review monthly. They tell their money where to go. Poor habits let money disappear without noticing. But rich habits put money on a mission. That difference compounds massively over years. Habit number 2: the rich pay themselves first. When the poor get paid, bills come first. Rent, electricity, food, entertainment, it's all gone. Savings? Maybe later. Usually never. The rich flip this habit. They save first, spend later. They treat savings like a bill. Non-negotiable, automatic, consistent. Even if it's 10% of income, they prioritize it every single month. This is how small savings grow into wealth. Habit number 3: the rich buy assets. The poor buy liabilities. Poor people upgrade phones every year. They buy cars they can't afford. They chase lifestyle for validation. Rich people think differently. They ask, "Will this make me richer?" Assets include stocks, real estate, businesses. Liabilities include cars, gadgets, luxury clothes. The poor collect liabilities and call it wealth. The rich collect assets and watch them grow. That one mindset shift changes everything. Habit number 4: the rich avoid impulse spending. Walk into a store with a poor mindset, and you'll walk out with bags of stuff. Sales, discounts, shiny packaging, it all triggers spending. The rich use intentional spending. They ask, "Do I really need this?" They pause, wait, and often skip it. Impulse control keeps their money compounding instead of disappearing. Habit number 5: the rich invest consistently. The poor say, "Investing is risky, maybe later," so later never comes. The rich say, "Time is my best friend." They invest early, consistently, even with small amounts. Compounding turns tiny seeds into giant forests. For example, $200 invested monthly becomes over $100,000 in 20 years. That's the magic poor people miss, and the rich never ignore. Habit number 6: the rich use debt strategically. Poor people use debt to buy comfort. Credit cards for clothes, vacations, dinners. Rich people use debt to buy assets. Mortgages for rentals, loans for businesses. One grows wealth, the other kills it. It's not debt that's evil. It's how you use it. The rich understand leverage. The poor drown in liabilities. Habit number 7: the rich track net worth. The poor measure wealth by income. How much do I make per year? The rich measure wealth by net worth. How much do I actually keep and grow? Tracking net worth forces awareness. It shows progress. It prevents denial. Poor people ignore it, hoping things improve. Rich people track it, ensuring things improve. Habit number 8. The rich spend on growth. Poor people spend on entertainment, distractions, instant pleasure. Rich people spend on books, courses, mentors. They invest in themselves. Because knowledge multiplies money faster than anything else. One $50 book could create $50,000 in value. One course could spark a business idea. Growth spending is invisible wealth building. But it separates long-term winners from losers. Habit number 9. The rich delay gratification. The poor want it now. New car now. New clothes now. Even if it means debt. The rich wait. They plan. They sacrifice short-term pleasure for long-term freedom. That one habit builds unstoppable momentum. Because money not wasted today becomes money invested tomorrow. Habit number 10. The rich think long-term. Poor people ask, can I afford this monthly payment? Rich people ask, what does this cost over decades? One looks at today, the other at tomorrow. That long-term lens prevents costly mistakes. It also creates opportunities the short-sighted miss. That's why wealth always gravitates toward long-term thinkers. The psychology behind it. These habits aren't just financial, they're psychological. The poor often seek status and comfort now. The rich seek freedom and security later. One spends to escape reality. The other spends to design reality. It's mindset that drives money, not money itself. The cost of bad habits. Here's the scary part. Bad habits compound too. $200 wasted monthly on impulse spending is $2,400 a year. Invested over 20 years, that's $150,000 lost. The poor don't see it, but it's real. Bad habits quietly rob your future self. The reward of good habits. Now imagine $200 invested monthly instead. After 20 years, that's financial freedom. After 30 years, that's retirement on your terms. Same $200, two different habits, two different lives. That's how powerful spending habits are. Final thoughts. The rich and poor aren't separated by intelligence. They aren't separated by luck. They're separated by daily habits with money. If you want wealth, copy the wealthy. Budget. Save first. Buy assets. Delay gratification. Simple? Yes. Easy? No, but over time, these habits guarantee freedom. If you found this eye-opening, take action now. Like this video to support the channel. Subscribe for more money wisdom every week. And share this with someone stuck in poor habits. Because the sooner they learn, the sooner they'll grow.